Hello everybody. Just wanted to give a quick update on something that kind of close to my heart here. It's safety in the shop. Get my camera turned around and I want to show you something. If I can figure out how to turn the blasted thing around. Okay. Yesterday, got my little torch out because I needed to bend a couple of pieces to go on the deck of a lawnmower. And what I discovered was my hose needed to be replaced. Now, I haven't used the torch in a couple of months, and when I saw what was going on with the hoses, immediately I wanted that fixed. See if I can show this to you here. Got a lot of dry rot on the hose itself. But this piece here is not the one that got my attention. It was the other end where it split completely down to the liner. Ladies and gentlemen, check your tools, check your hoses. Make sure everything is safe and ready to use. We have a lot of good equipment out here in the shop. And something like that, $25 replacement, is not worth it. Get it fixed, get it right. The hose that you just saw, I will cut into 6 or 8 pieces so that nobody else is tempted to use it, and then it goes in the trash can.